Hi guys, welcome back to our channel TechUp. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to use ClickUp Doc. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, open your ClickUp application, then this type of interface will appear in your screen once you have logged into your account. From the top menu bar you can see New button, click on it, then go to Doc or just go to Create a doc option on the menu from the top. There, name the doc, then click to blank page. There, click to add block. There you can add table, banner, checklist, anything that you like. You can also clear format, bold the format, italic the format, or also add website links. You can also add ClickUp AI. This is how you can use ClickUp Doc. Once you have ready with your document, click to create document. Then you can also choose the location of your document. This is how you can use ClickUp Doc feature. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.